In here we are going to discuss about the equation for the V out of the summing amplifier, inverting summing amplifier. So we know that the I1, I2 and I3 coming this three terminals are had to collect in this point. Then this current not going to go through the op-amp because there is no current flow into the op-amp. It is a theory in the op-amp. So current flow through this line, IF line. So IF equal this I1 plus I2 plus I3. Then we can found the I1 from the dividing D1 from the Rin, and I2 can find divided by the V2 by Rin, and I3 can find V3 divided by Rin. Then also we can find the IF. This voltage and this voltage equal. I have discussed in this why this V2 voltages are equal in the previous videos, so you can refer them as a so this voltage is 0, then this voltage also 0, then the voltage difference between the RF is minus 0 minus V out divided by the RF give the IF, then minus V out divided by RF equal IF, then IF equal the 3 current I1 plus I2 plus I3. Then substitute those I using the found terms, we can obtain this V out equation.